How to hide sender name in WhatsApp notification on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the settings application on your device over here. As you do that, scroll down and tap on notifications and control center. Then here you can see different options over here such as app notification. So tap on app notification and here you'll be able to see all the apps. So tap on WhatsApp and as you do that you can see different categories that lies under notification of the WhatsApp application. But as you tap on the message notification you can see there's no option of hiding the notification on Android. So what we're going to do is basically go back and tap on the item or rather on the notification section. So just tap on the lock screen and then over here you can see the format option. So tap on format and make sure that you select the option of show notification but hide the content. So this will only show you that you have received a message in WhatsApp but not the sender name. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.